Yeah, I was a bit in a rush. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. And then I go straight to laundry because I thought I'll be day off tomorrow, but yeah, tomorrow is actually Christmas Day and I will be working. And so I immediately went to do my laundry in Nelson Bay. Didn't able to record because yeah, we're rushing. And also I need to buy some gift. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, these are actually tongs, a long tongs. Yeah, and a tracker. Yeah, tail tracker. The tongs I'm going to give it to the chefs. Yeah, there are 5 chefs except Divina and Inigo. I will give them this tile. Initially I thought that I am just going to give them the selfie stick. I still have those selfie stick that I was selling in Amazon. Yeah, I still have a lot actually. But then I realized that I already gave them yeah, the selfie stick maybe last year or 2 years ago. I'm not sure. I don't remember actually. Yeah, there was one Christmas days that I was not working because I got COVID. Yeah, I decided to give this to them because this one is long and they can use it for when they are going for camping. Yeah, especially Ryan. Ryan said they are going for a road trip and camping in Queensland. Yeah, so that's why I'll give it to him. And the other chefs, they also go for camping. Yeah, also with their vehicles. Yeah, most of them actually go for camping. I heard them chatting, talking about yeah, fishing, camping, something like that. Except Kiran, I don't know if Kiran go for camping. Yeah, maybe he will use, I don't know. Maybe he will use it in the house. Yeah, that's the idea for giving this to them. Yo, good afternoon everyone. Yeah, we are here at the moment in yeah, the usual way of my bike before when I was riding my bike. And it's beautiful here. Yeah. Yeah, it was actually yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and I finished at almost 2:30 already when I sign out. Yeah, and today is Christmas Day. We are very busy at work. So we have a breakfast buffet and we also have lunch buffet. Yeah. Lots of preparation and even for lunch, very busy. Yeah, and it is also very hot. And when I finish my duty, I have nowhere to go because I feel like it's going to be sunny and it's going to be hot here inside the van. So initially my plan was to go to Nelson Bay in a car park there, but yeah, I was thinking it was very busy there because a lot of people. Yeah, so it'll be traffic and maybe difficult to get a parking. Yeah, and then when I was passing through that way, I saw that it's empty here, so that's why I get up down here. And it's actually nice here because it's covered with trees. Yeah, actually from the hotel where I'm working along the beach, lots of people. Yeah, there was a lot of people here also a while ago, even on that side. Yeah, this is how the people celebrate Christmas here in Australia. Yeah, they are usually at the beach or in a restaurant that is open. Yeah, or in the, of course, in the family, in the houses, celebrating their Christmas. Yeah, they are not in the shopping mall, not in the grocery because yeah, shopping mall, grocery, they are closed today. Yeah, whole day closed. What is busy these days are the hotels. Yeah, like us. And yeah, it's actually already 4:56. Yeah, and I will show you how it is in the town center. How busy it is there. Maybe not anymore because Yeah, it's already 5 o'clock. Almost 5 o'clock. What did I say? Yeah, almost 3 minutes. And we are now here at the car park, Porsche car park here in Nelson Bay. Yeah, near to Albura Marina. I will show you how many people are here. Actually, I'm going to check first if the shop is open. I'm going to buy a coffee or something to eat. I'm actually really hungry now. Yeah, because I am saving my hungry. Because yeah, I'm going to the Christmas party later. Yeah, tonight at 6 o'clock. I'm going to pick up Inigo and we'll go to the house of Divina for the Christmas party. Oh yeah, they are closed already. Oh, look at that. Yeah, all the benches, picnic tables, they are occupied. Lots of people. Yeah, even all the way to the children's playground. Very nice. Yeah, and like what I'm saying, over there, lots of people. The water, really clear. You can really see the sand. Nice. Yeah, at the moment, the sun is not harsh anymore. Also, the wind breeze is just good. Yeah, look at that, how much people are there. Yeah, for sure, not just this beach, but all the beaches here in the Bay Area. Lots of people. Today is Christmas Day, and like what I've said, that is how they celebrate Christmas here. I just saw that guy. He's wearing a t-shirt with the Palawan, Philippines. Yeah, it's good. Oh, there is ice cream shop. So we're going to buy ice cream. This is the soft serve ice cream, like the one in McDonald's. Let me show you first. You know, I am actually not confident videoing like this with lots of people. Yeah, it's not good to record video in the beach with a lot of people.
Thank you.
This is what I got.
Put them in a towel.
This is chocolate nut. I don't remember. Maybe I think. Yeah, regular one is $6. Maybe this is more expensive.
Have you done well today?
Oh yeah, this one is $8. There's one building over there. Yeah, being constructed. Possibly going to be a hotel or apartment like those. It maybe looks empty here. Yeah, but the people, they're actually over there. Ice cream. Even here at the scuba diving site or snorkel site, yeah, lots of car park. And as expected, yeah, there will be a lot of people there. Yeah, snorkeling, scuba diving. So basically this area is a sanctuary zone. Yeah, no fishing or collecting. Yeah. And you see, there are people snorkeling mostly. I also did snorkeling there. Yeah, with Inigo before. Yeah. Yeah, Inigo just called me and he is asking me to pick him up now. So I'm going there now. It is already 5:42. Inigo actually is not coming to work. Yeah, for over a week now. Yeah, he got a big accident with the motorcycle. Yeah, I will show you later. Yeah, Inigo is here now. He becomes very old. Look how he walk.
Hello. Merry Christmas.
Yeah, I did not see him for maybe 4 weeks, 1 month. Yeah, and becomes very old.
Burn injury. I went to surgery yesterday in Royal North Shore Hospital in Sydney. Get a skin grafted.
That's why he's not working for almost 1 month already. Salamat.
1 month. Wala pa. 1 linggo pa lang. Grabe.
Yeah, Inigo gave this to me. Oh. This is the cheapest something from the grocery.
Card lang yan. Nalagay ko lang sa toothpaste.
Salamat nga.
Merry Christmas. Thank you po. Oh, wow. Self-steering one. Thank you po. Thank you.
Self-steering?
Self-steering one. I got from Tita. Sa'yo.
Boy, like a kettle, but yeah,
Oh, nice.
camping.
Napapanood niyo yung vlog niya? Yeah.
Salamat
Okay
po.
lang pumunta kayo sa vlog niya.
Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, it is very windy today. Yeah, you can hear it from the sound. I have this, but I think it's still noisy. The wind is just good actually. It's not harsh. And yeah, it is very sunny. Sky is all blue. Amazing. Today is Boxing Day, December 26. Yeah, for sure lots of people at the town center beach. Well, yeah, yesterday we went to the Christmas party in Divina's house, and because of that I have a lot of takeaway leftover. So I have these noodles, and I have this fruit salad, and I have this kind of crinkle chocolate. Another salad, which is chicken and macaroni salad, and fried chicken. And I actually still have this roasted chicken that I bought 3 days ago for just $5. Regular price is $12.50. Some of you is going to judge me for always bringing leftover food from the party. Yeah, but you know, what can I do? Yeah, I keep on saying that I am a shy person, but yeah, I am really shy. But you know, if I say no, they will still keep on giving me. And yeah, they will pack it for me. But this time, I mean last night, yeah, I pack it myself. So what I am going to eat, these noodles, because noodles is my favorite. Oh, I'm not sure if the paper is microwavable. Yeah, I'm not sure if this paper plate is microwavable. Yeah, I will microwave this in this one instead. And yeah, the mom of Divina actually gave this to me. So this is basically a mug with the 12 volts with 12 volts cable. So it means that I can boil water directly to this mug. Everywhere I go, always by my side is a hut. Let's make it double.